Wolf and Thermador are two of the largest companies in luxury appliances, but which one is better? In this video, you'll learn about each company and see a direct comparison between their ranges. Wolf offers 4 induction models, but they can be grouped into 2 styles, transitional or professional. The primary difference between Wolf's professional and transitional series is really just the handle. Otherwise, they offer 2 sizes, 30 and 36 inches. Thermador offers 2 models, one in 30 and one in 36 inches. Wolf's surface is a scratch-resistant ceramic glass, no knobs, with electronic controls for precise temperature adjustments. The 30-inch model includes 1 burner at 1400 watts with the ability to boost to 2200, 2 burners at 2100 watts with the ability to boost to 3700, and 1 burner at 2600 with the ability to boost to 3700 watts. The 2 burners on the right side can form a continuous bridge burner. The 36-inch model includes 4 burners at 2100 watts with a 3700 watt boost and 1 at 2600 with a 3700 watt boost. The Wolf 36-inch cooktop is well designed with a larger center burner, and both sides can bridge for larger platters. Thermador is known for its induction cooktop, which allows both sides to be connected for longer pans or dishes. Thermador's unique HeatShift feature lets you set the burners at different levels in 3 different zones. For example, when cooking mac and cheese, you can boil at the front, simmer in the middle, and warm at the back, simply by moving the pot. Thermador's 30-inch model has 4 induction burners at 2200 watts with a boost option of 3600. Additionally, the left and right area Flex Plus heating elements provide 3300 watts, also with a boost capability of up to 3600. Their 36-inch model has 4 induction burners with 2200 watts with a boost option of 3600, and 1 center heating element with 3300 watts with a boost capability of 3600 watts. Thermador is different from most other induction cooktops. At their boost, they take all the power from the adjacent burners. Wolf features the best convection system called Dual VertiFlow, which uses 2 fans and 2 heating elements to ensure even heat distribution throughout the entire oven. You can bake cookies on 3 racks simultaneously, with each one baked evenly top and bottom. The oven has 10 cooking modes: bake, broil, dehydrate, gourmet, proof, roast, stone, and warm. The oven capacity is 4.4 cubic feet overall for the 30-inch model and 4.9 cubic feet overall for the 36-inch. Thermador does not publish the usable space for these ovens. Both sizes can fit a standard size turkey, large roast, or multiple baking sheets. The available cooking modes include bake, convection bake, true convection, convection roast, roast, convection broil, broil, meat probe, and Sabbath mode. Thermador has a true convection oven which uses a fan and a 3rd heating element to cook food faster and more evenly. In terms of technology, Wolf is better. Their VertiFlow system with 2 fans and 2 heating elements outperforms Thermador's true convection with 1 fan and 1 heating element, particularly in the 36-inch size. The controls feature a color interactive touchscreen, but the highlight is the Wolf Gourmet setting. The Gourmet mode offers a variety of pre-programmed dishes and food types. Simply select the Gourmet setting, choose the food type, enter the weight, and specify how you want it cooked. Gourmet mode uses sensors in the oven to determine the proper time, temperature, and even rack position. Additionally, there are 50 preset recipes to choose from. Thermador features a touchscreen along with 2 knobs to control oven mode and temp. Like Wolf, Thermador's induction ranges have Wi-Fi connectivity. You can download recipes and operate the range remotely using the Home Connect app. Which is better? It depends. Thermador's induction cooktops with their bridging element and Liberty technology offer some of the best features you can buy. The 30-inch model, particularly versatile, allowing you to cook with any size pot or pan on either side. Wolf, on the other hand, has superior oven technology. You'll get better baking results with their VertiFlow convection system. Appliance technology is often overhyped. Most people don't really use all the cycles and options that are really available to them, but you will use Gourmet because it makes cooking that much easier. In the end, it really depends on how you plan to use your range.
Click here to see the best induction cooktops, and thanks for watching.